In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a habit tracker that actually works. We're going to keep things simple and practical. A habit tracker only works if it's easy to use every single day. So as you follow along, think of 1 to 3 small, specific habits you want to track. For example, drink 1 glass of water when I wake up, or write for 10 minutes after lunch. The clearer and more measurable your habit is, the better your tracker will support you. For this walkthrough, we'll be using Notion to set up a basic habit and task tracker. Start by opening Notion and heading to your home area. This is your main dashboard where your pages and templates live, and it's usually the best place to create or access your tracker so it stays visible in your daily workflow. From home, look for the section or card that contains your task or habit tools. Click on the highlighted area shown in the video to open that space. Inside, you'll see an option called Tasks Tracker. Go ahead and click on that. This is going to be the base for your habit tracker, and it's designed to help you see what you need to do today at a glance. When the Tasks Tracker opens, you may see an onboarding or template setup screen. Click on Continue to accept the default structure. Don't worry about making it perfect right now. You can always customize later. Next, you'll be prompted to choose a layout. Select Checklist. A checklist view is perfect for habits because all you need to do each day is tick off what you completed. After selecting Checklist, click on Done to confirm. Now you're looking at your actual tracker. You'll see a list of tasks, which you can treat as your recurring habits. Click on one of the existing tasks, like Improve Website Copy. This opens the item and lets you see more details. Use this as a template. Rename it to one of your specific habits and keep the description short so it's easy to recognize at a glance. Back in the list view, click on the highlighted area to move to the next task in the sequence, such as Update Help Center and FAQ. Again, open it, rename it to another habit you want to track, and adjust any notes or tags so they make sense for your life. Repeat this with the next task, Publish Release Notes, turning it into your third habit or routine. By the end, you'll have a simple daily checklist of your core habits. Each day, just open this Notion page, check off what you've done, and let that growing streak keep you motivated.